Hello everyone, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. This is Rajni and let us start our episode today of the Kanjivarams along with the price for online shopping with this navy blue golden Kanjivaram which has got rich Vanasingaram pattern woven all through the body. As you can see in this, it has got a small border on the upper part and medium sized border in the below, priced at 14,990. Next one is yellow with purple combination, rich bridal saree. This saree has got floral weaves pattern on the body in the silver zari and golden zari comes in the borders. Big border comes towards the bottom part. Folded part is the blouse piece, priced at 18,900. Next is a simple half and half style combination in peacock blue and royal blue. Silver zari buttas on the body, tilagam motifs in the bottom part, priced at 12,500. Next is bottle green and red combination borderless kanchipattu saree. This is the blouse piece and pallu in red. Here is the open picture, priced at 11,200. Next we have a video of bridal Kanjivaram in hot pink and navy blue combination. Small silver zari booties richly woven on the body, very intricate, and golden zari traditional borders, priced 16,990. Next is a pastel combination of light baby pink with violet in the borders. It has got golden as well as silver zari booties on the body along with the stripes pattern. This classic Kanjivaram is priced at 18,900. Next we have rich silver zari woven saree in violet and dark green combination. Here is the video. As you can see, it has got peacocks and vines pattern on the body and big silver zari border with the pallu and blouse piece in dark green, priced 13,990. Next is a royal elegant combination with very big wide border in grey and pink combination. This saree has got silver zari woven on the body and golden zari comes in the borders. This is the open view and the saree is priced 18,990. Next comes a classy simple Kanjivaram in stripes pattern in lovely dark combinations contrast elephant grey and purple. Silver zari pattern on the body stands out the weaving in the stripes pattern. This saree is priced 10,990. Here is the blouse piece. Next is a very attractive bottle green and red combination. Rich heavy borders and pallu. It has got golden zari buttas, very beautifully woven on the body. This saree is priced at 15,900. Here is the open pic. Next is a half and half style Kanjivaram in royal blue and purple combination. Polka dots pattern comes in the bottom half. Here is the pallu and the saree is priced 12,500. Another half and half style with a lovely combination of forest green and violet. Very rich intricate weaving in the bottom part in the golden zari and paisleys woven in silver zari on the green backdrop. This saree is priced 12,500. Next one is a lovely contrast combination of orange and navy blue with the tree and bird motifs comes in the border. Very intricate and lovely weaving with very beautiful details. This saree is priced 13,500. Simple festive wear Kanjivaram. Next is a bridal saree in dark green and red combination again. The rich golden zari all through the body. Here is the open view of the grandeur of the saree, as you can see. Very heavy and grand. This saree is priced 17,500. Next is a pastel combination in silver and navy blue. Silver zari woven all through the saree's body in jacquard pattern, and horse motifs comes in the borders. Priced 12,900. This is the blouse piece with horse motif on the sleeves. Here comes another bridal Kanjivaram in purple and dark pink combination with big border in the bottom. Let us see the open picture. Beautiful saree, priced only 13,990. Next comes another classic combination of gold and silver pattern. In the white backdrop, silver zari woven very big border. Pastel combination, rich and elegant piece. Here is the open picture with the pallu. This saree is priced 18,500. Next is a tissue Kanjivaram in white. It has got purple silk thread weaving all through the body in floral pattern. Multicolor florals stands out in this saree, beautiful and subtle, priced at 17,990. Next we have three lovely colors in the tissue Kanjivaram. Violet and white combination in the borders. Very unique and trendy, priced at 17,900. Next is silver and baby pink. Each of these sarees priced 17,900. The last saree is sky blue and white combination. Next comes another olive green and silver zari combination saree. We have a video from the weavers. That's the pallu. The whole saree comes in single color, that is olive green. Chakra, anans and elephants comes in the body as buttas. This saree is priced 10,500. We have another color in the same design pattern, this time in light brown. Fancy color, silver zari buttas and the same design pattern as we have just seen in olive green. That's the pallu, blouse piece, and this is the body. Lightweight and easy to drape. These sarees, each of them priced 10,500. Next is a tissue Kanjivaram in pure white, silver zari woven all through the saree. Simple without any buttas comes in the body. Pure tissue Kanjivaram. This is the open view with the pallu. This saree is priced 13,700. Next is a lovely contrast combination of light green and violet. Golden zari buttas in unique pattern woven on the body. And here is the open view. Lovely border too. Folded part here in the violet is the blouse piece. Very attractive color combination. This saree is priced 18,900. Here comes 2 grams pure gold zari saree, tissue Kanjivaram in contrast combination in green and red. Lovely leaf patterns comes all through the body. Here is the video. This saree is priced 25,900. Next we have another design pattern in the same color combination. You can check the video for this too. Lovely saree. Very rich weaving all through the body, and the pallu and blouse piece remains in gold. Next is borderless tissue Kanjivaram with rich silver zari. All through the saree has got vines and florals pattern. This is the pallu in full silver, and that is the blouse piece also in silver. Priced 15,900. Next few we have pastel colors, very classy, elegant color combinations, starting with this baby pink and light grey in the borders. Silver zari woven on the body, priced at 16,990. We have few more colors in the same design pattern. Lovely, each one is beautiful in its own way. Yellow and grey combination is this one. Metallic shades, very contemporary colors. Here is the third color, sea green and grey combination. Check the florals and vine patterns, very shining and beautiful on the body. Each of them priced 16,990. The last saree in today's episode is this tissue pink Kanjivaram. Geometric pattern along with floral motifs on the body, traditional borders on either sides. That's the blouse piece, and here is the open picture. This saree is priced 15,500. In order to book your favorite saree, please send us the screenshot along with the price to WhatsApp number 70108 30303. My sister Bharati will assist you in placing the order after checking the availability at the weavers. See you all in next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.